Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas, and in today's video, we're actually working on my own vehicle. We're going to be replacing the radiator in this 2016 Chevy Colorado Z71. It's four-wheel drive. It's the gas engine. It has the 3.6 liters of the V6. This is our mobile mechanic work vehicle. We've had a lot of problems with it, actually. Got the engine running up and good. Headed to a job. Next thing you know, car's beeping, saying engine's overheating. Temperature gauge is maxed out. We pulled over. It's literally a pin-size hole with coolant spraying out of it. Here we are, about to replace it. Parts being delivered anytime now. So we want to go ahead and get this taken off, get this knocked out. But first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get this engine cover off because it blocks a lot of room right here. So we're going to go ahead and take this out. Right there, it's a T30. I always use my little magnet right here so we don't lose them once I get them out, just like that. All right, set that to the side, and now we're gonna take this off. You just push down and pull out. Push down, pull out, just like that. I'll jump up top here, see where the other bolts are. Move this out of the way. All right, we got one right there. What's that, a 10 millimeter? And another 10 millimeter. Let's get down in there. See how that goes. Go ahead and undo your oil cap. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take this off right here. It's still connected. It looks like maybe an 8 millimeter. Actually, it's a 7 millimeter. Go ahead and loosen this up. There we go. All right, so we're just gonna push this off now, just like that. All right. And then also, if you look underneath here, there's another one right there. Okay, it's another 7 millimeter. You loosen that up, and you can pull it off the throttle body right there. Once it comes off that, now you're free to take it all the way off. So we moved it from here, from there, 2 more nuts back here. Now look how much more room we have here. All right, now we're gonna start working on the radiator. We'll go underneath, drain the antifreeze in a minute. While we're up top here, let's go ahead and remove this right here. We'll stick it right here in this hole. Then we're gonna unplug this, then we're gonna work on taking this 10 millimeter out. All right, let's do this first. Simply move it to the side, twist it, and whoa, pull it off. All that pressure still built up from where it overheated. Just push this little clip right here and pull out. There you go, just like that. Now we'll take the 10 millimeter off. So you get on there. Take that out, place it to the side. I've never replaced the radiator in this year Colorado. But I will tell you, I've seen some videos, and some people took the whole front end off. I mean, made it like a 4-hour job each way. I was like, what is going on here? Boys, we are about to go underneath the truck. Some of you might not have to jack it up. Like I said, I'm a little hefty. Got these big old guns, but look at them. Anyway, we got to go under here because there's a covering under here. It's held up by 4 15 millimeter bolts. So we got to take that off so we can access the bottom of the radiator. All right, here we go. We got one here, and same on the other side. So we can get this out of the way. Come down to this side. Can you guys see me way down here? There we go. Okay. And then it'll come down here. Okay. There we go. Got that out. The first look underneath here. Right here is the petcock. We're going to turn this, and all the coolant will come out of there. See if I can turn it. Yep. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There's a little bit. There you go. Do that, or if you pull the plug, it'll shoot all the way out. There we go, like that. All right, there you go. Let that oil drain out. We're gonna put the petcock thing back in. Well, that didn't go as planned. Now I gotta lay in this shit. That's where old Snuggie here comes in. Come back up top here. We're going to take this off right here, this top radiator hose. We're going to take the other 10 millimeter off this radiator fan, and we're actually going to get the radiator fan up and out of the way. We can just work on the radiator. And let's go ahead and get this radiator hose out of the way. All right, here. Got some vice grips. Try to do it all one time here. There we go. Just tuck it away, dude. Get that thing out of here. There we go. All right, where's that 10 millimeter at? Where you at, buddy? Right there. All right, here we go. This damn truck, man. I just got the engine fucking running. All right, let's see if that comes out. Hey, making progress, making progress. This fan should be able to lift right on out. So we will see. There we go. Oh yeah, come on. Bingo, bingo, bingo. I wonder how much I would charge for this job. I'll have to look it up. I would probably charge, I don't know, 400 labor, something like that. I'll look it up. All right, so let's go under here now. We are going to start, let's remove the lower radiator hose. Take that off first. And then we'll go down here to the transmission cooler lines right here. There's some vice grips on it. There we go. Break the seal by turning it like that. See, now we're gonna just tuck this away, push it back there. All right, where we at? Move this out of the way here. Pull this back. Whatever you gotta do to get it pushed back here. Here we go. If you look right there, you'll see there's that little clip. See the end of it right there in the middle? It's like a little C-clip, and we got to get that out. Once we remove that, we can pull this line straight out. So you take you a pick here, try to work some magic here. We want to get it up far enough so we can grab it here. Okay, so we got it popped up here. Let's use this end here. We don't want to lose these. Can you guys see it? There we go. Got it. Now I should be able to pull this hose straight out. Let's see here. There it goes. Oh, Lord. And then we got to actually move on to the next one. If that's transmission fluid, we're screwed. All right, I jumped on the other side here, laying on the driver's side. All right, now we got to do it on this one right here. Same thing. You got to turn, twist, get these off. Just like that. All right, so we're going to come up here. Find out where the end is. Come on, baby. There we go. Work your way out. Here it goes. Let that boy drain for a minute. All right, guys, so we got them hoses off, right? Now, if you look up here, there's some more that connects into the side up there, right? On both sides, but we don't have to mess with them. Like this long one right here goes up in there. What happens with this one is you take these 12mm bolts out and these plastic clips pop off. So you don't have to mess with them lines. It looks like this is all we had to do was remove them two. So let's go ahead and remove this and see if that's true. I think this is a 12mm. Let's see. Yep. There we go. Take this off. Yeah, see how it separates like that? All right, now we need to go down to the other side here. The other side has the same thing. And there it is. Yep, let's take that one off too. All right. There we go. All right, so this is the top here. Remember, we took off the bolt at the bottom, so we're back up top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this piece right here. We're gonna pull up and out, just like that, okay? If you look down here, that is that whole piece, right? So we're gonna do that to this side too. And then we'll go ahead and take these bolts out. And I think we can get this radiator out of here. Come over to this side. There we go. Same thing. All right, let's go ahead and knock these bolts out. These are what, 10mm? All right, here we go. 10mm. There we go. Pop that straight off. Pull it straight up. Bam. There we go. Oh, there it goes. See the radiator dropping? Let's see. Can we pull it straight up? Oh, there it goes. I ain't got no room from the bottom. See, I think we can bring this straight up now. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Boom. So now when you look at it, we got it all out, right? See, these plastic pieces stayed in, right? That way we didn't have to remove that line, right? We only had to remove the bottom stuff. Same thing over here. The guy had to remove all this junk, look, but it all goes right here. So that's perfect. Right here, look, what was this? My kid. I think that's my kid. Hello? Ah! Say hello to 20,000 people, sis. No, we ain't putting that shit on there. Get out. All right. Ow, damn, that thing hurt. Is that a real knife? Put that shit away. Just like your mom. Stabbing me. And we're back the next day. New shirt, clean, about to get dirty again. But our radiator just came in. It was supposed to come in yesterday. It did not. That was my first day off work in a long time. Anyway, all right, radiator's here. Looking at it, just making sure it matches up. Everything is looking good. Only thing is, these have the sides on them. Remember, we took the sides off of these to get it out? So we're gonna take these sides off with with that bolt and pop it off, because we're going to set it back in there. We don't want to unhook all them lines, so we're going to get rid of them sides. So we're actually going to leave these cardboard pieces on, get it inside the vehicle so it protects the fins a little bit. Remember, these are 13 millimeter. Screw that off here. Had a nut on that side of it. Okay, come up here. There we go. We're going to set that to the side here. We're going to flip it over and do it to the other side. Oh, okay, where are we at here? Come up here. See, it just pops out. You just slide it off. Just like that. Alright, so now it's ready to go back in. Set this up in here. I'm trying to keep this cardboard on it to protect it. I just have to take this one out right here. Here, come on. Okay, there's that one. I don't know if you guys seen that. That it goes into, and then you pull up. You see, like that. It'll stay like that once it's bolted in place. That's just to hold it right now. You're just gonna set them over it, push down, just like that. Take the bolt, get it lined up. They're gonna be 10 millimeter. Same thing. All right, we're back under here. We need to bolt together to get that side back on it. So grab your 13 millimeter. We went ahead and put in the old bolt we had, but it doesn't matter which one you use. But when you put it in the spot right here where it goes in, let's see, can you guys see it right there? See the nut? That nut goes right here like that. You tighten that bolt into it, right? All right, now we're on this side. We're gonna do the same thing. All right, it'll look like that. So now we're actually gonna go ahead and throw this lower radiator hose on right here. Put it on right there. So go ahead, throw that back on right now. Let's go ahead and get this one back in lawnmower man beside me. Baby. All right, here we go. You want to put it right in the same spot if you can, if it was before. There we go. Just like that. Now we're going to be focusing on putting these lines on right here, putting these back on. And they came with new little clips. Right? See little clips right there? So I think we can just grab the hose and push it in, and the C-clip will clip on it and keep it in place. Line it up and push. Okay, it clipped. Let's see if it pulls out. Okay, clipped in, good. Now we're going to take this rubber piece and make sure it goes over it. There we go. Perfect. All right. Can you guys see the other one down here? Let's see. Yep. Same thing. Let's see. Gonna get it in there, and we're gonna push. Okay, it clicked. Let's see. Wow. Perfect. Rubber piece goes over it. Perfect. Here we go, guys. We're putting our radiator fan back in now. So let's go ahead and move this there. See the little slots right there on the side? Two there, and you got one there and one at the bottom. Let's grab our fan and slide it back down, and once it's in, then we can also bolt it back up. All right, right there, 10 millimeter on that side and that side. All right, we're putting it back in. Remember, when you put it in, our little connector piece right here should be at the top. Let me slide this in. Easy, easy, easy. And getting them grooves I showed you guys. I was talking about the connector piece. This should be right here when you're putting it together. So you know that's the top left portion of it, because it connects right there. All right, like I said, we finally got this lined up in the spots right there. Sides in there, also at the bottom. On both sides it does it. All right, once you get that, let's go ahead and get the 10 millimeter in there. Tighten that down. Grab your other one. Come over here, and same thing right here. So go ahead and put both of them in and tighten them down. All right, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Let's go ahead and grab our little clip here and push this back in. There we go. Nice and steady. We had stashed away for a while. Go ahead and get him back in. Put that on. Bam. We're gonna do this radiator hose here, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Bam. I'm not seeing anything else more we gotta plug in. Looks like we just gotta put our top back on. Good, I'm running out of daylight and memory on the phone here. So all we got to do is put these back on, the top and bottom. don't think you guys need me for that, do you? All right, so we got to put the bottom back on, and it was 4 15mm bolts for that. And remember, throw this back on. Then all you got to do is put it back on right here and bolt it down. So there it is, guys. We're done. Go ahead and finish up without me. I got faith in you. So, I don't know if you guys like that video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We are right at 40,000. By the time this video gets pushed out, we'll be like real close. So hopefully this video pushes me over the 40,000 mark. If you guys want to support the channel, want to donate to it, I'll have my Cash App up here. Any of the tools I use will also be in the video description. Any links, my email, all that bullshit down in the video description. All right, guys, you know I love you. And like we always say, Semper Fi, till next time.